If you're over 60 and want to improve your balance, these are the 3 exercises I recommend. Over the past 20 years of working with adults in their 60s, 70s, and 80s, one concern comes up again and again. I need to improve my balance. And they're right. This isn't just about moving better. It's about staying independent. Falls are one of the biggest health risks for older adults and can have life-changing consequences. So today, I'm going to show you 3 simple balance exercises you can start doing every day. But before I do, I want to share the biggest reason most people never improve. It's not because they don't know what to do. It's because they never turn good intentions into daily habits. You'll tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow, right? But tomorrow turns into next week and next week into next month. And before you know it, nothing has changed. I've seen it happen for too many times. So here's how we avoid that. I use something called the ABC method. A is for anchor. Attach the new habit to something you already do daily. B is for behavior. That's the balance exercise itself. C is for celebrate. When you're finished, give yourself a little win. Smile, say, good job, or give yourself a high five. It may sound silly, but celebrating helps reinforce the habit. Now, let's get started. Exercise number 1. Stand on one foot. This is the perfect exercise to do while brushing your teeth. Start with the leg that feels less stable. Balance on one foot while brushing your bottom teeth. Then switch legs while brushing your top teeth. That's it. Your first balance exercise is done. High five. Exercise number 2, heel to toe walk. As you leave the bathroom and walk down the hallway, turn it into a balance exercise. Walk heel to toe, placing one foot directly in front of the other. Use the hallway walls if you need them for support. Go slowly. Surprisingly, walking faster actually makes the exercise easier. Keep your eyes focused on something in front of you and gently tighten your ab muscles to help you with stability. Exercise number 3, head turns. When you sit down for breakfast, let's challenge your vestibular system, the part of your inner ear that helps control balance. Hold your thumb up in front of you and keep your eyes focused on it. Slowly turn your head side to side for 12 repetitions. Then move your head up and down for another 12 repetitions, while continuing to keep your eyes on your thumb. And that's it. Before you've even finished breakfast, you've already completed your balance training for the day. One final thought. Your best friend is consistency. Most people begin noticing improvements in balance after about 6 weeks of regular practice. Once this morning routine becomes automatic, add it to your evening routine in reverse. So start with the seated head turns while you're in the living room. Walk heel to toe down the hallway. Finish by standing on one foot while brushing your teeth. Just a few minutes each day can make a meaningful difference over time. Give this routine a try and let me know in the comments how it goes.